This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be trying out something that has been highly requested. You guys want me to try out the Beetles, the nail tips and glue set. And this is supposed to be a dupe to the Kiara Sky, jelly tips, the Apres. It's supposed to be like a dupe for all of that. And I got this from Amazon and it was only $19.99, I think. So I'm curious to see, like, can you really just spend $20 versus like 100, 150, like what the other companies are charging? I don't know. Let's see. All right, so this is what the box looks like. I like this little saying, be bold, be me, be Beatles. Okay, that kind of sounds cheesy. And it tells you everything that you need to know back here. Let me see. Follow the application guide precisely. Okay, so I don't even need to read this box. It's telling me to read the instructions inside of the box. So let me just open this up and see what we got. All right, so this is the application guide, which is the instructions. Okay, you know, I like when instructions have like the pictures. It makes things easier to follow. So yeah, definitely look at all of that. Let's see. Beetles nail tips. Okay, see, this is, it's kind of hard to get out. Okay, I'm just gonna dump it out. You get a nail lamp, and this is the cutest little thing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this looks like the Kiara Sky lamp. It's a little bit different, but it's kind of the same. And then you get Beetles nail glue, but it's soak off LED gel. I don't know why it says glue. I mean, on the Amazon page, it said it was a base coat and nail glue. All right, but enough of all of that. Let me read these instructions and see what they want me to do. The instructions are just pretty basic. You to cut your nails to a short length, file shape buff nails, push back cuticles, trim. So basically prepping. Let's see, do I have to do anything? Okay, it's not telling me to do anything inside of the nail tip. It just says pick your proper size and then put the nail glue on. All right, that seems pretty simple enough. All right, so the tips come in this bag. Now, the one thing I do know about like the Kiara Sky and Apres is that those tips are made of gel. I'm not sure if these are made of gel or not. I think these are just regular ABS plastic. So we just gonna see how these do. I'm gonna go through these and pick out my sizes. Just want to show you guys, this is what the tip looks like. They look pretty much like the Kiara Sky long coffin. They look like that. All right, so I got all of my sizes picked out. So I'm just gonna sit this to the side and then I'm just gonna do my nail prep. First, I'm just going to cut down my nails. And then I'm just gonna push back my cuticles and use the opposite side to scrape up any of that cuticle skin on the nail. And then I'm gonna take my hand file and I'm just gonna use the 180 side to smooth the edges. And I'm just gonna lightly file the surface as well. I'm not putting any pressure on the nail. I'm just taking the shine away and just trying to give the glue, the nail glue, something to hold on to. All right, so next I'm just gonna take some alcohol and put some on this paper towel and just wipe down my nails just to get all of the dust and any oils or anything like that off. Because I want to give these nails a fighting chance, you know? Like, if this kit is really about something, I want to see. All right, so prep is done. Let me assemble the lamp. This is just the cutest little thing, like, OMG. They totally ripped off Kiara Sky. All right, so I am just going to put this in. Let's see, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Okay, you can now. There's a power button inside here, so I'm guessing you do something like, oh, okay. All right, I didn't even have to press anything. It just comes on when you do that. All right, all right. Okay, can you not turn this off? Okay, that's the thing. It doesn't turn off. So we just gonna unplug this and plug it back up. All right, no off button. That's kind of weird. So this kit didn't say anything about like a primer or anything like that, but I'm gonna use one anyway because, you know, I want these nails to kind of last. So I'm just gonna use the Kiara Sky. No, that's top coat. No, we're gonna use primer. I'm gonna use the Kiara Sky acrylic primer. It says acrylic, but you can use this for gel. I've done it before, it works. I used it for these polygel nails that I did in my last video. If you didn't check that out, make sure you do. I'll leave the link down below. And I used that primer for these nails, and these bad boys ain't budging. So I noticed that this primer is a little different than what I'm used to. It's like, most primers seem to be like a, I don't know, like an alcohol base or something, like it kind of dries. This one is kind of thick, kind of hard to explain, but yeah, it's like a thick substance. And then you put it on and you have to wait for it to dry. All right, next I'm gonna go in with the Beetles nail glue. Oh wait, this is a little different from other type of application methods. They don't even mention putting a base coat on your nails. They're just saying go straight into the nail tips. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, it says to just put the base gel into the tip. It didn't say anything about etching the inside or anything like that. So I'm following their instructions. We are going to just put this nail on like this. Oh, it has a nice little suction to it. All right, you want to make sure to kind of hold it. So let me turn this on first. And then we're just gonna slide that in there. And I'm just gonna hold it just to make sure that it's going to cure properly without any air bubbles, because we all know about the dreaded air bubbles with the Apres Kiara Sky Jelly Tip technique. All right, so once I feel like I have a good, you know, once it feels like it's, okay, see, look, I got a little bit on the side there. That's okay, we're gonna file that away. We're gonna let this cure for about 60 seconds. I'm not sure what the timer is for this. It didn't say. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed out that this doesn't have an off button. Like, come on, y'all Beetles, get it together. But I guess for $19, you can't really complain about much. So I'm just going to unplug this because I don't want to cure the gel while I'm doing the other nails. That nail is on. And like I said, I do have a little bit of spillage, but I'll foul that off. Don't y'all worry about that. What I would say about this base gel, in the instructions it said this is a 3-in-1 multifunctional nail glue. It can be used as a base gel and a slip solution for your polygel. That's up to you. All right, so we're going to continue putting these on. And then I'm just going to put this on. I don't want any air bubbles. And then slide that baby up under there. And I hold that in place for maybe about 10-15 seconds. And then I just let go and let the light cure the rest of it. Yeah, this base gel glue is thick. It's thicker than a regular base gel. Just kind of guess about how much I want to put in there. You know, you want to have enough of this that the whole nail is covered and there's a good seal, but you don't want to put too much because it's going to squeeze out on the sides like my pinky nail did. I'm sorry, y'all. This cord is a little short, so I couldn't. Okay, we're going to put it in the center. And there seems to be no problem with it curing. I can feel it like curing. It doesn't burn or anything like that, but I can definitely feel that it's like a good seal. And I just want to mention that this is going pretty easy. Some of you guys know I am left-handed, so I'm working with my non-dominant hand, which is my right hand. It's my non-dominant. This is pretty easy to do. So as long as, oh shoot, I forgot to turn the light on. But yeah, this is pretty easy. Like for your non-dominant hand, this is quick. On the Amazon page, it claims that these can last up to 21 days. I will keep y'all updated on my Instagram. I usually don't keep my nails on for 21 days like that, but you guys will know if I had problems with these. So follow me on Instagram at Long Hair Pretty Nails. All right, so all of the nails are on, and this is what they look like. Pretty cute, and this was really quick. Probably took me less than 5 minutes to put these on. As you guys can see, got a little bit of air bubblage. Practice. Practice will make that better. Okay, so since these are fairly, shaped, I don't want to go too crazy with the filing because they're already, this is kind of short for me, so I don't want to like file down any more extra length. But I do want to get rid of these little plastic nubs at the end, so we're just going to file those off and just crispen up this edge here. All right, so next I'm going to take my buffer and buff the shine off of these nails. I'm going in with polish, so we want the polish to be able to stick to the nails. And I am also going to use this opportunity to kind of get rid of this extra glob of gel that's squeezed out the side. Just file that away. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. You really can't tell, too much about the air bubbles, but we're gonna cover that with some gel polish, so it's okay. And I wanted to kind of comment on the thickness of these. They feel pretty sturdy for the length that they are. They're not like thin or flimsy. They feel like they can take a beating. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the gel polish, and I'm gonna use this color. It's called Sugar, and I'm just gonna put 2 coats of this on each nail. All right, so this is what the color is looking like. These are so cute. Like, these look like acrylic nails, okay? This looks so good. I'm gonna go in with Brownie, and I'm going to attempt to do a inspired nail design. So this is the nail design that I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it with just this chocolate brown color. And this is styled by Aliani. I hope I'm saying that right, but I follow her on Instagram. She does some bomb nails. Go check her out. All right, so this is basically just like a slanted French tip, and we're just gonna put some gel polish right here. All right, so after finishing all of the brown tips, I'm gonna go in with this white gel paint. I ain't even gonna lie, I have to perfect these lines off camera. It's just too much for me to do it with my hand down. We'll get this right off camera. Well, now on camera, but y'all get what I'm saying. That is the best that I can do. So we're gonna do this for the rest of the nails. Whew. This took forever. So I finally got the lines all straight. I'm just gonna go and top this with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And instead of doing the cuticle crystals on all the nails, I'm just gonna do it maybe on the ring finger. Let's see how I like that first before I move on. And I'm using smaller crystals, so I don't have to use the bling gel. With the smaller crystals, the top coat holds them on just fine. All right, and I decided to add some bling to my index fingernail. I've already top coated, and we're just gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. These turned out really cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. This is a dupe for the Kiara Sky jelly tips. The tips and everything kind of just feel just like it. Now, I'm not 100% sure if these tips are plastic or if they are made of gel. I don't know, the site really doesn't specify, but for the price, I think this is a really good deal. It's a dupe. Like, if you're on a budget and you don't really want to spend all that money, this kit here is definitely something to try out. They totally like knocked off Kiara Sky's lamp. So this is the Beatles one. This is the Kiara Sky little lamp for their jelly tips. The only issue is this one doesn't have an off button. So, you know, when this is plugged in, you can turn this on and off. This one just stays on. So, you know, do with that as you will. Kiara Sky has a patent for this, so I guess that doesn't mean anything in China. So that's all I have to say about that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.